Ahoy there everyone, Captain Billy J here, and today I'm going to give you a cabin tour of our cabin here on the Caribbean Princess. Now we're up here on the Riviera deck, deck 14, and our cabin is R747. So what you'll do is you'll put your medallion that you have, and you'll put this up against this screen. It says access is being verified. Welcome William, and turn door handle for entry, door unlocked. And then you'll enter the door. You gotta be quick though. You gotta do it again. So put the medallion up above, reads it, unlocks it. And then you go into the cabin. Now there are some switches here on the left. This is your light switch. And another light switch. You'll make your way into here. This light here by the bathroom, it turns on automatically. Then you have a light switch by the bathroom, but we'll explore the bathroom last. We do have a storage area. That's where we're keeping our luggage up here. We have some hangers, some pillows, life jackets are up here. We have a mirror opposite side. And then we go into the cabin. So first, on the right is your thermostat. We have it as colder possible way. Then you have the cabin. Now this is a rear aft Oceanview cabin. We got a picture in there. We got the bed separated in this one. We got the two lamps here. There are no plug-ins, just the lamps with the light switches. Do you have light switches on the wall as well on either side? This is your view out the aft. We got the back of the ship there. There's two windows. Another picture on the wall here. Got a nice size TV. Now this is really nice compared to the Carnival Glory we just got off. You got your desk area, got telephone, you got remote, and we've got your hair dryer, a little light above there. You do have a couple glasses, napkins, ice, tongs, with no ice bucket. Down below you do have a little mini fridge, and we're going to open that up here, and it's nice and cool. You have a chair here, wastebasket. You have some drawers. You do three drawers here. Drawer, and off the rail there, and another drawer. And a mirror. Like I said, your hair dryer is there, and some storage here on the side. Anyways, that is the bedroom part of the cabin. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bathroom. So we got a light switch here on the side. It says watch your step. And this is the bathroom area. So you got one little sink here. You got some products here. Looks like you've got body lotion, hand wash. Got a couple of glasses, drinking glasses. You have a plug-in for a shaver. A couple shelves there. Mirrors all around. You have a Kleenex. You have a wastebasket. Toilet paper there, two spots for toilet paper. You got your towels hanging up here, you got your toilet area here, and then you've got the shower. Now, not a handheld shower, but it's got the clothesline already up going. There are your knobs for your shower, you got a little shelf up here. On the other side, you have body wash and shampoo and conditioner, so that's nice to have shampoo and conditioner in one. Carnival does not have that. Please test water temperature before stepping into the bathtub or shower. So not a very big space for the shower, but it should be all right. And it's kind of low too for anybody that's tall, so it'll be interesting. We'll see how it goes. But anyways, that's the bathroom here on the Caribbean Princess. Update. After staying in this cabin on the Caribbean Princess, I do not recommend it. The cabin was rocking every night on the back of the ship. It was the worst that I've ever felt on a ship. Otherwise, the room was nice except for the noise from the pool door. Every time someone would go in and out that door, the door would slam and make quite a bit of noise. So, don't recommend this cabin due to noise level and due to all the rocking in the back of the ship. And that completes our room tour here on the Caribbean Princess. Again, this has been Riviera deck. This is R747. This is the far aft of the ship, looking out towards the wake area of the ship. So anyways, this has been Captain Billy J from the Caribbean Princess. Do make sure you hit the thumbs up button, hit subscribe, and click that bell notification to be notified of when I post a video like this or go live. Once again, Captain Billy J signing off from the beautiful Caribbean Princess, and we'll see you guys later. All right, bye everyone. Hey, did you check out that video right there? Check it out right now. It's related, YouTube suggested. Check it out. Captain Billy J